How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on your Messenger account very accurately on your phone. For this is my mobile screen. All of you can see here. What I will do is simply, firstly, I have to do some setting in my phone. Then I have to do some setting in my laptop. To do setting in phone, I will open my Messenger here on in front of you and go to the chat option and the setting option in my account. Scroll down. Whenever you will scroll down, you have to click on privacy and safety. From here in security, you will see end-to-end encrypted chats. Click on message storage, and here you can see that turn on message and access chat history. There you have to simply create a pin for your end-to-end encrypted chats. So I'm setting up the pin for my chat history to be recovered. So the pin is set up right now. Yes. Now the pin is already set up and I can back up my end-to-end encrypted chats anytime I want it. So this is very useful for you. So please remind to set your pin. Then then I will go on the restore chat history on my laptop or PC here. Enter the same pin you have set for your account and now click on it. Now, whenever you will enter your PIN, you will have to see that this is restoring end-to-end encrypted messages in my PC or in my application right now. Then I will go again in the preference option and go to the privacy and safety again. Click on end-to-end encrypted chats, go to the secure storage, and from here you can simply download secure storage data. Click on the download button to install this into an encrypted chats on your phone and you can read it. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.